Is Facebook compressing your images to low quality? Here's the professional upload trick. Is this happening with phone pics or design graphics? Let me know in the comments below. Always resize to 2048 pixel width. Facebook's compression is gentlest at this exact size. Save as PNG 24 for graphics, JPG at 95% quality for photos. Never use JPEG below 80%. Add subtle noise or grain. Clean gradients or skies compressed worst. Upload from desktop. The mobile app applies extra compression layers. Still blurry? Post the image in the comments first, then share that comment. It bypasses main feed compressions. Is it crisp now? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.